What if I told you, the best range hood of 2025 isn't the most expensive? We tested the top 5 models, and one budget pick smoked the competition. Which one? Stick around because the results will shock you. Plus, all purchase links are in the description. Let's get cooking. Number 1. Cosmo Stainless Steel Wall Mount Range Hood. This stainless steel wall-mounted range hood from Cosmo Appliances is a great option for people with electric stoves. Although the range hood is sold as a Duct product, shoppers can purchase a filter kit to convert the hood for ductless use. It has 3 fan speeds. When operating at the highest speed, it has a CFM of 380. Its noise level on low is 45 decibels. Energy-efficient LED lights help lower the kitchen's carbon footprint, and its stainless steel design and dishwasher-safe filters make maintenance easy. This wall-mounted range hood is available in 30-inch and 36-inch sizes, giving home cooks with larger cooktops some options. Number 2. Hauslane Chef Series PS18 Under Cabinet Range Hood. Hauslane's under cabinet range hood would be well suited to just about any kitchen. With 6 speed options and a maximum airflow of 860 CFM, this duct option can handle output from both gas and electric stoves. Despite its high fan strength, however, it has a low sound output, ranging from 1.5 to 7 sonas. This range hood has 3 exhaust options, with adapters included to fit most vent styles. It's also fairly low maintenance, boasting a button-free LED control panel that's easy to wipe clean and dishwasher-safe permanent filters. Number 3. PhotoL JQG7501.E 30-inch range hood. Those looking to splurge on a top-of-the-line range hood may want to consider the PhotoL JQG7501.E 30-inch range hood. This duct hood features PhotoL's side draft design, with a 90-degree automatic opening baffle plate. This plate leads cooking fumes toward the air inlet, allowing the dual-motor range hood to cover an impressive 6 square feet of range space. This range is large and has a bold and modern design. It can be installed as an under-cabinet range or as a wall-mount range hood for versatile placement. A touch-screen control panel lends itself to its high-end look and makes it easy to control functions such as the 3 speed settings, LED lighting, time delay function, and screen lock. Operating at a max of 54.3 decibels, this range hood is also a quiet option. Number 4. Hauslane Chef Series PS38 Duct Range Hood. A range hood has a pretty dirty job, filtering out smoke, smells, grease, and fumes. The Chef Series range hood from Hauslane takes cleanliness a step further with its innovative auto steam cleaning capability. It doesn't require a water line yet is able to dissolve grease by turning water into steam in order to clean itself. This Duct under cabinet range hood is also incredibly powerful, with a CFM of 950. Its fan strength produces a range of 1.5 to 7 sonas. It's also specifically designed to remove smoke and steam from the front burners, which many other models fail to capture. It's 30 inches wide and features a touch control panel and sleek, modern design. Number 5. Cosmo Under Cabinet Range Hood with Remote. A luxurious look and convertible design make this range hood from Cosmo Appliances a worthy contender for the kitchen. The under cabinet stainless steel hood has a sleek LED display panel to give it a modern flair. Its simple curved edges make for a cleaner look compared to other bulkier models, while still offering impressive ventilation in both the duct and ductless configurations. This range hood uses heavy-duty stainless steel filters to filter grease and cooking fumes from the air. These filters are permanent and washable, and they can be supplemented with an optional carbon filter, sold separately, when using the ductless configuration to help remove odors. An additional convenience with this Cosmo range hood is that it comes with a remote control, allowing users to turn off the fan and light from a distance. So, which range hood would you choose? Drop a comment below. If this video helped you, smash that like button, share it with someone who loves a smoke-free kitchen, and subscribe for more game-changing home upgrades. All product links? You know where to find them, description. See you in the next one.